let's all leave the players for your Green Falcons. Jersey number 71, Reggie Lativa.
Kain ako yung music niya.
Jersey number 27, Alvarez Guerra. Jersey number 24, Marvel Bermudez. Jersey number 41, Pines Bison. And jersey number 9, Jericho Rivera. Jersey number 4, the Mute, Judah Bautista. Jersey number 28, Mark Puma. Jersey number 7, Christy Maglambayan. Jersey number 29, the Boogeyman.
Yan, para kita. Para kita dito, oh. Ang
Jersey number 12, the Stoner, Joey Villar. Jersey number 6, Russell Manasseh. Jersey number 20, the Energizer, Jacob Abo. Jersey number 22, Jumper Jan Lopez. Jersey number 1, ang angas ng bayas, Aubrey Allen. And now, but not the least, jersey number 30, the silent assassin, Edwin Rivera. And now, the captain of the season training unit of Rosa Bambana, Orange Titan. Jersey number 74, Perez. Jersey number 1, Jordan Medina. Jersey number 10, Bartolome. Hindi ko magpalan ng Silva. The Air Jordan, Mark Marpella. Jersey number 4, the Scavenger, Tino Bartolome. Jersey number 6, Glenn Canlas. Jersey number 29, Travis Pimpillo. And jersey number 18, the Muscle Man, J.R. Yahoo. Jersey number 24, the Demolition Man, Mark Yama. And jersey number 8, the Tank, Willie Meneses. The pride of James Papa Pampanga, wearing jersey number 18, the Douglas Sniper, Julian Pinto. The pride of Bulawan, Pampanga, the Court General, Chris Watson. Now, but not the least, from the Orange Titan, wearing jersey number 20, the captain, Yuki Toshio. Jersey number 26, CJ Vilcampo. Segans po tayo. Both teams.